Hey guys, I'm Christine
And I'm Sunny.
and we're from the current board of Dimensie, and today we're going to show you what you can start with old jam jars. Okay, first we start off with taking our jam jars, and of course you can soak them in water to get rid of the labels on them, so you have a nice clear glass to start with.
So first of all, we will fill our glass with some gravel or some old marbles.
If you have an even layer of gravel at the bottom, you can start filling your glass up with some soil that you can just basically any soil you usually use for planting stuff. And then you can still leave a bit of room to the top.
Yes.
And now you can just pick any herb or whatever you want to plant of your choice. We have a few different options. I think I'm gonna pick some mint.
And I am taking some basilikum.
And now you can just put some seeds into your jam jar. Just slowly distribute them on the top of the soil.
Don't need all of them in the box,
Exactly.
just a couple.
And now we will fill it up with another layer of soil just so that the seeds are nice and covered.
Yeah.
So now we've filled our jars and now we're going to put some water on them.
Thank you. After we filled some water on top of them, we would just place them somewhere near an open window where the sunlight can shine in.
And then we will watch them grow, and hopefully by next week we can pick some of our own herbs.
Cheers!